Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Linux Mint. First, understand that Linux Mint offers a stable and efficient computing experience, perfect for both new and experienced users. You'll need a USB drive with at least 8 GB of storage and a stable internet connection to download the necessary files. Before starting, quickly check your system specifications to ensure compatibility with the chosen Linux Mint edition. Next, navigate to the official Linux Mint website to find the download page. You'll see different editions available, with Cinnamon being the most popular and recommended for most users due to its modern interface. After selecting your preferred edition, choose a download mirror that is geographically close to you for faster and more reliable download speeds. This ensures you get the correct and most up-to-date installation file. Now, you'll create a bootable USB drive using a tool like Balna Etcher. This software makes the process straightforward. Open Etcher, select the Linux Mint ISO file you just downloaded, and then choose your USB drive as the target. Be absolutely certain you select the correct USB drive, as this action will completely erase all existing data on it. The writing process usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Finally, restart your computer and boot from the USB drive. You might need to adjust your BIOS or UEFI settings to prioritize booting from USB. Once Linux Mint starts, you can try it out live or proceed directly with the installation. Follow the clear on-screen prompts to install it to your hard drive, choosing your language, keyboard layout, and partitioning options. Remember to check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.